Oh god. Oh god, there's quite a few more missions.
Oh no.
Oh, this one's the best mission in the game though.
Okay.
I've got a bad headache. There's like 3 missions left.
3? We've
Yeah.
been playing for 4 hours.
I think it's about 6 hours total. Beat the game. I think we've got 3 left. I can't remember. We got
Time
this
will tell.
next one, which is kind of a long one. Then there's one where Carter dies.
And Cat.
And then there's the one after that where Emile dies. I think Cat dies at the end of this one. And after Emile comes us.
Yep.
Caked up.
Your report will have to wait, Lieutenant. The Covenant are jamming all comms to command. Cat needs your help running a
Yeah,
counter.
it's like twice as big as fucking Carter's ass. It's fucking huge.
It's good to have you back. Sorry I came alone. Make him proud.
Damn.
Here, 1 second.
I don't
Put
even
your
know if I
wings
want
back
to
on,
do
Lieutenant. We're
the
flying
big
this
Easter
Falcon.
egg on this mission.
Yeah, we've done it before.
Here's the situation. Covenant have deployed multiple long-range comm jammers
Just-
on high rises across
Let's
the
just
city.
speedrun this.
We can't hear Holland, and he can't
Just
hear
a
us.
second though.
We're totally cut off.
Having to do a
Trooper
dumb
squads have
thing.
been trying to take the jammers out. The
Uh-oh.
copies are dug in tight. When I confirm targets, I need you to hit them hard.
There we go. I got it fixed.
Alright, let me go to the bathroom, okay?
Oh,
Sorry.
I see you're on top of my helicopter.
Stand by, Six. One of our trooper squads went silent after the hospital got hit. I'll mark the location. Complete their mission and take out the jammer.
Clear! We got a fancy inbound! I'm clear! Clear. Give me an angle! Take it! Clear here! We're clear.
I'm gonna go get him. God. I don't have a plane anymore, so I'm gonna fly yours off.
I do. No!
Alright, let me just put my shoes back on.
It spawned me above you.
The fuck was that? That blew up in the back road.
I don't know. Why?
Get one more
Sit
chance.
tight, Lieutenant. Falcon on the
I
way.
will kill you
Stay
that
focused.
time.
Fine. We'll just take the
You
same
got a
one.
job. Hey, don't worry, I'm trained on this thing.
Oh shit.
All clear.
I'll let you know when I'm over here and you can jump off.
Aren't you in third person?
Yeah.
Going
I'm
forward.
not on top.
I know. No, I meant I'll let you know when I'm over here, and then you can jump off the map over there and you can respawn over here.
You can call in another chopper.
You can?
Yeah.
Ah.
They bring you one with 2 Marines. I think it's like down on the D-pad. I can't
Foot from
remember.
here.
I ended up pressing on.
We got a situation. That hit.
It's really hard.
Contacts, 2 and 10 o'clock. I'll hold them off so you can get to the other side.
Through that doorway! Move, move, move!
I'm just gonna speed run this mission.
More fruit! Stay back, you stinking bastards!
I think I've ever beat the whole can thing in one sitting. I don't wanna be friends.
I made it like a third of the way down.
Yeah, I know, and I'm freaking out because I don't know what to do.
Oh yeah, it's not pointing me towards an objective anymore. I'm just down here panicking.
Oh my fucking bitch.
Okay. Alright, let's not do this again. Let's just fight through
Alright,
it.
we're doing pedestrian from here. Let's go.
I'm all the way back over here.
Just jump off the map. Did you jump off? Were you flying over?
I kill my Marines. I know we've been like destroying all the allies up until. These are my Marines. This is different because they're mine.
Contacts, 2 and 10 o'clock. I'll hold them off so you can get to the other side.
Through that doorway! Move, move, move!
So, Gatsby, are you excited for the Five Nights at Freddy's movie?
No. I was never into that. Five Night at Freddy's.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Is this where you wanna be? I just don't need it.
More fruit! Stay back, you stinking bastards!
Oh,
Oh shit balls.
balls of poop.
the fuck?
Alright, I'm going in. Oh my god!
Oops!
I punched him in the face 3 times!
I fucking stuck a grenade in the pancreas.
That's where it goes.
I still think the best part about everything in this playthrough was the fucking forklift and the cart in the cart in the
An elevator.
dude. My fucking shit reacts so. I died. I did. My shit is so delayed. It fucking. Oh.
Hi. We're back.
Easy. What?
The space turtle didn't even die!
I am extra laggy at this very second. Ooh. Grenade.
Grenade!
Thanks for the assist, Spartan. Jammer's right over here.
People were here.
I'm a dead alien. I'd like more bullets in my brain, please.
Wait, you quit what?
Did you hear what she said?
Hi, I'm a dead alien. I'd like more bullets in my brain, please.
Soon as you can, I need you back
While
in
she
your
was
side.
shooting it.
Noble-
What the fuck?
Noble 6, you've got incoming tangos.
We got jumpers.
Man, those things
it's
are
a bit
real.
late for that fucking call out.
That Marine's gonna die because it ran out of ammo. I'm starting to think this game wasn't designed to be played on heroic. Because these enemies don't really know what to do.
What is that? What do you mean they don't?
Well, it's like,
Because they're all standing there?
yeah, because I don't think it spawned, I think it normally spawns like 2.
No, it doesn't change the spawns. I always remember there's always a bunch of them. I don't know why they were standing there, because I haven't had that happen before. Not like that. Okay. I don't even... The fuck blew me up.
Oh, I just shot our Marine.
Fucking dust. No, it was the female one. Damn it, I wanted to put her on the fucking chopper. Shit.
We'll always have the line of, I'd like more bullets in my brain, please. I turned, I saw
Never have the
movement,
one
I
who
pulled the
said it.
trigger, it was my friend.
You fucking ex.
I shot her in the head once.
Yeah.
Too accurate. Free Marines?
Betrayed. Holy shit.
Just took out a jammer and we're waiting for evac, but taking sniper fire.
Understood, 1-8. Lieutenant, proceed to these coordinates and clear that LZ.
I got the one on the left tower, or the right tower, rather.
Oh god. Oh, he fucking jumped off the building and killed himself.
I would too.
One of them died. What the fuck? Oh shit, no, watch out for my...
Hey bro, watch your jet! Watch your jet! Watch your jet! Watch your jet!
Thanks, Bart. Those snipers had our number.
You're gonna fucking destroy me.
Oh, I hope not.
Mayday, mayday. 7 Delta 1
Oh, shit.
All UNSC forces.
What's your status, 1-9er?
We found the jammer, but we're getting hit. What? We need assistance.
Oh,
Synovia
hi.
Center is off.
Still with me, 1-9er? 7 Delta 1-9er, you copy. 600 troopers if you can, but get that jammer offline immediately.
Kill that Banshee now.
All tangos neutralized.
Xenoviet HM Center.
Approaching the objective, please. Watch for hostile fire.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
I want to get the plane inside really bad.
Shoot at him.
Banshee inbound.
Noble 2 to Noble 6. I still get nothing from those troopers. You may have to take care of this jammer yourself.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get inside.
Yes. Don't crash.
We need to bring down the Banshee people.
I'll be honest, it really looks like I should. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
6, I'm accessing building schematics. There's an elevator on the north landing.
I'll be honest, I'm just kind of impressed with myself. Anyway, up the elevator. Oh, hi, Pyro.
It's the mission. It's the
Oh God.
Nice.
Out. Seriously, we're fighting aliens now?
I just say some
This guy's about to commit suicide.
Man, I'm out. O-U-T out. Let me tell you, whatever you do, don't let him
Easter
bite
egg.
you. I hear if one of those little ones bites you, you turn into one. Remember, man, we're all gonna turn into
Oh.
little methane-sucking freaks.
walk away and I hear him scream. Ah!
It's okay. Just rest. I knocked you out. That's what we're gonna say happened. I knocked him out. I didn't kill him.
You're close to the jammer. Destroy it.
There's an invisibility here. No, wait. Yeah.
Oh, I was supposed to hold X on it. You're shooting it.
It's a trap. Get the hell out of there.
Oh my god, there's no way if I don't do the framework. That's what you shut it
For
off.
now. Return to your platform and stand by.
Don't worry, it's fine. See? be taking that.
Bring them down!
Just your flying skills, as I can barely see it.
Is that helping?
Copy, Gunnery
Calendar.
Sergeant. Go ahead.
Fighting something, or?
Hear a familiar voice on New Alexandria. Aren't they all familiar? Who are you and why am I defending you? Where are you going?
I have no idea. I don't know where I'm going.
Checkpoint done. You wanna have your own ship, Pyro?
I don't mind this. It's really cool.
Go ahead, 2-7.
We're at the Viren Telecom Tower. Got hunters between us and the jammer.
Copy, 2-7.
Also,
Help is
it's
on the
freaking
way. Noble 6, I'm sending you coordinates
very
for the Viren
swingy.
Tower. Go get those troopers unstuck. This is the last jammer, 6. You're almost there.
This is the last jammer. Spartan, rapid response flying vehicle. Supports various turret weapons and a powerful forward-mounted machine gun.
So
Found.
true.
Huh?
So true.
So true. Yeah, you know it.
Oh, he's a friend!
Oi!
Fall back for Delta. Fall back. Defensive position. Go. We'll cover you. Stay down.
This is where the grunt party is. there's a... No.
Man, hunters sure do take a long time to kill.
Oh! On my neck.
Take that thing out!
Oh, pyro.
Oh shit, I didn't realize there was 3 of them. 4
There's
of them!
4. Oh my! We got mollywalled.
Oh. Do we have to kill him? What's the objective again?
Jammer. I can try to get up there and do it.
I'm going. Going for it. I think I got it.
Objective complete.
Yep. Alright, leave. Time to leave these Marines on their own.
They've got this.
I'm fine.
One of them's probably got a spanker. They're just not using it because they're stupid.
Yeah, he's dead. I stole it from him.
Area secure. All yours, Lieutenant.
Noble 2 to Noble Leader. All jammers are down.
Solid copy, Noble 2. New orders. All personnel are to be evacuated from ONI HQ. They confirm.
Confirm only tower evacuation.
Noble 2! Noble 2, sit rep!
Copy, they're hitting the HQ in force. They must have zeroed my signal.
Get that evac started!
Roger that. Noble 6, get over here and cover our evac Pelican. I need you overhead now.
This would be faster if you used a bit, frickin' what's it called?
Command, this is Whiskey 3-5.
What would?
I have my eyes on 6 long-range shade turrets in the vicinity
Getting
of the
rid of
hotel.
these turrets.
Taking life pretty tough on our evac birds.
Copy with 235.
Oh, I think you're
Noble 6, take out those
overestimating my
emissaries.
skills.
Another shade turret down. Third turret down. 67, we may proceed with evac.
Solid copy.
What the heck?
Noble 6, you've got to
Bruh.
neutralize the remaining shades for our evac birds.
Whiskey 3-5, Command. We need those shade turrets gone. Copy, Command. Much obliged.
Noble 6, you've got to neutralize the remaining shades for our evac birds. Whiskey 3-6, proceed with evac.
I copy, Command. Thanks.
Ah, these are called Falcons.
Ah,
the,
yeah.
the bigger one is the Pelican.
I'm extending the landing
A couple
countdown.
years.
Come home, Lieutenant.
Land at Oni-chan. Time for sadness.
Damn. We should have just stayed.
Yeah, just keep flying.
Look at this place. Used to be the crown jewel. Not anymore. Hey, you made it.
It's a regular family reunion. Keep him. He gave him to you. I'll honor him my own way.
George always said he would never leave Reach.
The big man was sentimental.
He gave his life thinking he'd just saved the planet. We should all be so lucky.
Sir, that true about Gauntlet Red and Echo teams assigned to civilian evac ops?
Those are senior level communiques.
I hear what I hear. Point is, why put Spartans on defensive deployments?
I need that link to SATCOM, Cat.
Chasing it. But this console's got more shrapnel in it than transceivers. You didn't answer my question.
You want to know if we're losing?
I know we're losing. I want to know if we've lost. Colonel Holland, hailing us. What's he doing on an open channel?
Let's hear it.
In the southwest quadrant of the city. Over. Sierra 259. If you are receiving, I am authorizing override of radio security protocols to link with this channel.
How long for a secure link?
I can't guarantee secure anymore.
Could Covenant trace it to us?
I could.
Noble leader, this is a priority 1 hail. If you are receiving, acknowledge immediately.
Keep it brief.
Carter here. Yes, sir.
We got movement. Multiple Covenant vehicles vacating the area. And they're in a hurry.
How often you see Covenant retreat for no reason?
Radiation flare. Big. 40 million root guns.
Just lost Holland. What's going on?
Atomic excitement scrambled the signal. 90 million now.
Source?
Airborne. Close.
How close?
That close!
I was about to say that close.
First glassing? Me too. Don't worry, I'm on it. Our best option is a fallout bunker on sub-level 2. 96 meters northeast. We get orders from Holland, sir?
We're being redeployed to Sword Base.
Sword? Covenant own it now!
Which is why they want us for a torch and burn op. Keep Dr. Halsey's excavation data from falling into enemy hands.
If it hasn't already.
Maybe, but according to Holland, the Covenant are still hunting for something.
Where does he get off calling a demolition a priority 1?
Come on, get in!
Let's go, come on!
What happened to her shield is my question.
It was down from the classic. I forgot. I got that from the classic.
Yeah, but that was like 30 seconds in the what's it called? In the elevator. I feel like she shouldn't have died.
Nah. She would have died anyway. She probably would have fucking drove herself off a cliff.
She do be a woman.
I was taking a screenshot of this part too.
There's no hole in her visor. Dude, you know who the craziest person in this team is? The cameraman.
Wow.
Like the video if you like the video, dislike the video if you dislike the video. Consider subscribing if you're new. And if you got anybody else who thinks that who you think might enjoy our random shenanigans, you should send them our way. So, as always, stay kind and spread love. And drink water, 'cause it's good for you. Do it, idiot.